Hey buddies, this is Tradeonomics. We are here to understand the basics of candlestick chart. A candlestick is a visual representation of price movement, so a trader uses the candlestick to make a trading decision. By analyzing the candlestick, they understand the price movement, whether the price of a share is increasing with increasing its demand or the price is decreasing due to selling of that particular share. A candlestick shows the 4 price points, that is open, close, high and the low price throughout the period of time a trader specifies. It can be 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour or 1 day, anything which the trader decides. So this is how a candlestick shows the market's low, open, close and high prices for a specific time period. The white part in between is called real body. The real body represents the price range between open and the close price of that specific time period. When the real body is in green color, it means the close price was higher than the open price, which is called a bullish candle. So the bullish candlestick means the price of a share has increased with the time period. So the demand of that share is more than its supply in the market. And when the real body is in red color, it means the close price was lower than the open price, which is called a bearish candle. So inversely to the bullish candle, a bearish candle means the price of a share has decreased in the specific time period, as the supply is more than its demand in the market. And if the real body is empty, it means the open and the close price were the same, which is generally called an undecisive candle. With open and close prices, the candlestick also shows the high and low prices, which is represented by an upper shadow and a lower shadow, where upper shadow shows the higher price of that specific time period and the lower shadow shows the lower price of that specific time period. Trading is often dictated by emotions, which can be read in the candlestick charts. Once you understand the way candlesticks are plotted, reading the candlestick to identify the price patterns becomes a lot easier. This is the last 4 days price movement of United Phosphorus Limited. Here you can see the open, high, low and close prices of different days. The open price of a day may differ from the close price of the previous day, since some price movements happen at the pre-market hours. And this is the candlestick representation of previous price movement. Here we can see UPL went up from 494.75 rupees to 522.55 rupees in 4 days. This is how a candlestick chart looks on a time series. This is a day candle representation of UPL from 3rd September 2020 to 15th January 2021. Here a long-bodied candlestick depicts a strong buying or selling activity, and a short-bodied candle depicts a less trading activities. So this is all about the basics of candlestick. In the next video, we will cover some more useful and productive concepts. Be connected. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel if you think these concepts are useful for you. Thank you very much.